Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program in which will print star diamond. Okay, so without wasting time, I am just going to open Visual Studio Code. If you have this Visual Studio application on your system, then you open it and do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way, in a good way. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you. If you don't have, then you open online Java compiler and do practice there and try to learn parallelly. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. First I'm going to explain the what is the problem is. Okay, and then we are going to explain the what is the going to be approach to solve this that problem, and then I will write code, and then after that I will execute the code. I will verbally explain the code while writing. After that I will write every I will write a comment for every lines. Okay, each lines, each logics. Okay, so that you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. In one go only you can learn this. The purpose to written code, written comment line by line. Okay, so I am going to make a file name. So I need to create here star diamond dot java. Okay, so this is the file name. First we am going to insert here main method. So for inserting main method I need to write here psvm. It is the keyword used to write uh, public static void main in the Visual Studio. And here I need to import a scanner class because we have to take user input. So I need to write here import, and with the help of a scanner class object, we can take the user of input. Okay, so I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, and then I'm going to write here post problem statement. So if user will enter input row, if user will enter number of row 7, then output should be okay. Star star 3 star, and then and here I need to create one star 3 star, and then I need to create here 3 star here 1 2 3. Here I need to create one more star star star. This is the step we are going to print in this lecture. Okay, so I have already insert here the um, the scanner class to take user input. Now I need to make the object for the scanner class. So I need to write here a scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then I need to write here shout enter number of rows. Okay, and now I'm going to store that user input in the variable n, and sc dot next int, and then I need to write again a message to print here. What I need to write here, below is the below below is the star diamond. Okay, now I need to I'm going to explain you. First you need to analyze the pattern. So you can analyze in the left of the first row of a star of first row in the left of, okay, we have number of spaces 3. In second row it is 2. In third row it is 1 only, and in fourth row 0. In fifth row it is 1. In sixth row it is 2, and in seventh row it is 3. So it is first is in large, means the number of spaces decreasing. First by top to bottom it is decreasing, okay, and then it is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing. The same like the number of same as the star is also first is decrease. First star is increasing, number of star is increasing, and then it is decreasing. Number of star increasing and then decreasing, and number of space decreasing and then increasing. So I need to initialize a variable here. So I need to initialize a variable int nsp means number of spaces with how much it is. I need to first write ml means middle line means what? If I have number of rows 7, then middle line it is what? 1 2 3 4, and middle line is this one. Okay, so I need to create here n by 2. How can I get middle line? N by 2. Okay, so if I have number of rows 7, and then middle line will be what? 4. Fourth row will be going to be middle line. Okay, so I have initialized the 3 2 1. Fourth row is the going to be middle line, but the number of spaces is going to be middle line minus 1. Okay, the number of spaces is going to be middle line minus 1. Okay, so I have initialized middle line is equal to be n by 2. Okay, and now number of spaces will be going to start with 1, and number of, okay, number of spaces is going to be equal to of ml middle line, and then I need to write here int nst is equal to 1, and then I need to write here a for loop int which will print number of rows int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus, and then I need to write here for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to middle line minus I, and then j plus plus, it is going to print what? Number of spaces. So I need to write here two space to make better alignment, and then I need to write another for loop to print number of star in each row. So I need to write here for int k is equals to 1, k less than equal to nst and k plus plus, and then I need to write here again uh, output statement, and then here I need to print star with one space, and then I need to write if else condition. If I is less than equal to ml means middle line. If it is less than equal to ml, then number of spaces will going to be decreased. So I need to write here number of spaces nsp will decrease by 1, and number of star will going to increase by 1, sorry 2. Okay, you can see in first row it is number of star is 1, and in second row number of star is 3, in fourth row, no sorry, in third row it is 5. Okay, so it is increasing by 2. So that's why I need to write here number of star while increasing from top to bottom, we have to increment it by 2. Okay, and then I need to write else condition. I need to write here, you can see number of star is going to decrease by 2 while moving from middle line to bottom. Okay, while moving from middle line to bottom, number of star is decreasing by 2, and number of spaces increasing by how much it is 3 into 5 and 3. Okay, and number of spaces is decrease increasing. Okay, number of spaces increasing and number of star decreasing. Okay, so I need to write here again else nsp will increase by nsp will increase and nst will decrease by 2, and then I need to write here a line to after printing number of star in each row, it can move in another row. So that's why I need to write here a line statement to move cursor in the next. Okay, and here I need to write here sc dot close to avoid memory leaks or resource leaks. Okay, and then I need to print here, I need to execute here. It is coming, don't worry. Number of rows I am entering 5. This is the problem we have. ml, why you have write in here ml? It should be nsp because we are printing number of spaces. Equal to, where is the equal to, bro? We are also doing mistake. Okay, so if you are doing mistakes, then don't worry, we need to learn them by mistakes, not it is coming like this, bro. Number of rows 5, number of star should be print here. Okay, let's start from 1, st k plus plus I starting from I string less than nsp nst number of spaces 1 star is here. I have not mentioned equal to number of rows I have not equal to mention. Now it will print clear. Okay, so I forget to mention here equal sign, so that loop can move to last row. Okay, it is only running for n minus 1. Okay, and now it is working perfectly. I will write comment for each lines. Okay, so just be here. I am entering number of rows 7 here. You can check it. You can check it by entering number of different types of number of inputs in your system, in your code. Okay, now I'm going to explain. I'm going to write the comment for each line. I have already explained. First we have to take number of input, number of rows from user input. Okay, and then we need to you need to analyze the pattern. What is the going there in the pattern? Okay, so first row it is 1 star, second row 3 star, fourth row fifth, third row 5th star, fourth row 3 and 3, 6 on 7, 7 star. Means in each row number of stars is multiple of I minus 1. Okay, so by that's logic you can also print. Okay, and I have mentioned, I have initialized three variable. First is middle line. Middle line is n by 2. Okay, and nsp I have initialized by middle line, and means number of spaces. Okay, and number of star I have initialized with 1, and I have printed here 3. I have I have used here 3 loops. For loop I have used here 3 times. For printing number of rows I have used this for loop, and in to print number of spaces I have used second loop, the second for loop, and to print number of star I have used this this third loops. Okay, so now I need to and up to controlling printing of number of spaces and number of star, to to update number of spaces, number of stars by moving from one row to another row. So that's I have used here control statement, that is conditional statement, you can say if else condition. Okay, and here I have used here, I have printed here a line to move cursor in the next row after printing elements for each row, and I have in last I have mentioned ac.close, so that we can remove resource leak and can free the memory. So now I need to write here scanner st. This is the scanner class, scanner class to take user input. Okay, this is what, this is the file name. There our code is going to save. Okay, this is the main method which will going to control of printing. Okay, control of execution. Okay, and this is the what, this is the object creation for scanner class. Okay, this is the message to show the text to user to enter number of rows. This is what? This is the storing number of rows enter by user. Okay, here we are printing text to show the result. Okay, this is the calculating cal initializing a variable to half of middle line. Okay, half of initializing a variable to half of number of rows, half of rows. Okay, and printing number of spaces maximum is equal printing number of spaces maximum number of spaces printing maximum number of spaces is equal equal to the middle line. Okay, and this is the minimum number of star in row I have initialized. Okay, okay, and this is this for loop controlling number of controlling row. Okay, in diamond. This is we inner loop first inner loop first inner loop to control number of spaces in row. Okay, printing here printing two spaces two spaces to make alignment alignment better. First space to make diamond shape and second for for space between two star star to look shape. Okay, and this is what? This is second inner loop to print number print star in each row. Here we are printing two spaces to, here we are printing star with one space. Okay, and here we have used conditional statement to update the NSP and NST and NST. Okay, so I have used here if before before middle line or row in the shape in the shape of diamond, number of space is decreasing from top to middle line, and number of star is increasing by 2 from top to middle line. Number of spaces is decreasing by what? 1. Okay, if we are in, I have entered number of row 7, and if we are in first row, then in first row number of spaces is going to be half of middle line we have 3. Okay, not 3, it is before middle line, it is starting from 1 2 3. Okay, so it is number of spaces is here, how much it is? 1 1 2 3, and in fourth column I have printed here start. The number of spaces is going to be 1 2 and 3. Okay, how much it is? No, it's not. From here it should be start. Okay, 2 to 4 and 2 6. Okay, number of spaces is here 1 2 3. Okay, I have left. Okay, middle line minus 1, it means. Okay, so I have mentioned here, and then I have written the logics. Okay, number of spaces is decreasing by 1 from top to bottom, top to ml, and number of star is increasing by 2. Okay, and now for doing these things I have written here multiple things. Okay, if we are in the left of ml, means middle line, then number of spaces we have to decrease by 1, and if we are in num and we have to, a number of star we have to increase by 2, and then if we are in, we have conditional before and after. I need to write here control C and control V, before, and here I need to write after middle line or row in the diamond shape, number of spaces is increasing, and here number of star is decreasing by 2 from top to bottom, and number of spaces is increasing by 1. You can see here we have 1 spaces. You can see 1 space for a star I have left. Here I have 2 stars left. Here 3 stars I have left. Okay, so number of star is decreasing by 2 and number of spaces I have it in this increasing by 1. Okay, so thank you everyone, have a nice day. I hope you get these things. Okay, and if you have any issue, any problem in this understanding of these things, then uh, comment it please. I will try to explain those things which is not understood by you. Okay, and thank you, we will meet in another video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing and keep and do try run. Okay, do try run so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in one go only. This is the way, by doing mistakes you can learn everything. Okay, and you don't have to repeat the same mistake again. Try to do next, try to if you are doing the mistake, then try to do another new mistakes. Okay, not repeat the same mistakes again and again. Thank you, have a nice day. I hope you have got these things and you you are enjoying these things. Okay, if you don't not understand some points, then search about it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.